Hello, I'm going to show you an example of a dynamic binding. The reason why we need a binding in Java because we use polymorphism in Java programming. For example, bank account is a superclass and savings, free checking, and business checking, these are subclasses. And in superclass, I have one constant variable minimum balance and private balance. And I have a default and overloaded constructor and method. And these two do not have a getter and setter unlike a balance. And then in my first subclass, savings account, I have balance and minimum balance as private attributes and overloaded constructor. Here, this is from superclass. And I have a method from superclass and a method from subclass, its own. And I have two overrides. Here, the condition is withdraw should be less than the difference between initial balance and minimum balance. And here, I put the initial balance and the minimum balance. And in another override, I have new balance and then a minimum balance. Same format with the free checking and business checking. And this is my demo, which is runnable class. I created amount attribute here for the user data input here. And I created object here. And this is the initial values for each account. And I have a looping here. So according to my looping, it will show savings account, free checking, and then business checking in this order. So let's hit run button. How much? Let's say 200. So it shows the initial balance and after withdraw. And it shows again initial and then after withdraw, and then $200 withdraw is within the range of minimum balance, right? How about if I try $300 withdraw? Then so it displays initial balance of a savings account and the savings account minimum balance, but it did not withdraw because $300 is out of range of a withdrawal for savings account. In my first video, it did not display initial balance, and I could fix it. How? I will show you. I print out display, not in override. Instead, I separated the initial balance here. So I use the system.out.println here outside of this override because as you can see, I put my display coding before balance changes. So before balance changes, I print out the initial balance. This fixed my problem that it did not display initial balance. Okay, so the withdraw did not work with out of range of minimum balance. Okay, thank you.